Hi everyone, I'm Timothy Whitaker, student number U22744968, and today I'll be going through a simple heap overflow vulnerability exploitation. So to start off with, what is heap overflow? Well, heap overflow occurs when a program writes more data to the heap, which is dynamically allocated memory area, than it can actually hold. This can lead to the corruption of JSON memory, and this vulnerability can arise when the application actually fails to check the size of the input before copying it into the buffer. And so what this allows us to do with corruption of the neighboring data or JSON memory is it allows us to change the JSON memory, and this allows us to execute our own code or actually just change the data there. So let's have a little demonstration of this. So on the right here I have a README, and I'll put this in the description. And on the left here is it's just a Kali virtual box running on VirtualBox. It was virtual machine running on VirtualBox. And let's do this demonstration. So first we're going to want to do is actually just create our file that we're going to be running. So say heap overflow, probably a demo. That's what I have saved as .c because it's going to be a C file. And now we can edit this, and yeah, I have all the code you need already. Let's copy that across and save it. There we go. So there you can see our file. I'm here in desktop already. So what I want to do now is I'm going to actually compile the script. So yeah, we have the compilation bits. There we go. It's been compiled, and then we have the compiled version. And let's run it. So now when we run it, we can see I've put some debugging statements. So you can see over here. It's what we've done is in the script we've got a buffer of 128 bytes, and we have a secret of 8 bytes, right? And in the secret we've stored the word hidden. You can see a secret before overflow, and you can just see the address of our buffer and the secret, right? So now what we're going to do is this enter some text, and this allows us to enter way more bytes than has actually been allocated to the buffer, right? So if we take this, for example, very long string, and we paste it in here, you'll see, we've launched the terminal, and my computer is slowing down a bit now, or my virtual machine is slowing down a bit now. Let's move this out of the way. And you can see that I was actually able to launch terminal, and I can obviously do whatever commands I want in here. And it's obviously really bad because the attacker can get terminal access to your computer. But there's more than just this. If I run this again, and I take this, and instead of just having it this length, I copy it a couple times and run, you'll see, as well as this terminal being run, you can see that our secret after this, we've entered some text, and before launching this terminal, has actually changed to this. It's part of this text that we've added, part of the overflow, right? And I mean, this is clearly bad because malicious users can then input these strings to change the secret to something that they want, right? Allowing them to gain access to parts of the system that you might not want them to have access to, like being able to change possibly login credentials with keys and whatnot, right? And it's obviously very bad. So yeah, this is my demonstration showing you how you can execute code. This execute code here you can see is launch terminal, this demonstration is showing you how you can execute code and how you can change variables or change data on the actual machine using heap buffer overflow. Thank you very much. And by the way, there's also some troubleshooting here in case you have any problems. Just make sure that like this using xterm, make sure you have it installed and whatnot. Others use different terminal commands. But yeah, thank you. This is my demonstration, and have a good day.